Are you being annoyed by the Keymgr.dll DLL error causing system instability? I'm Sophie Chen, a senior Windows support engineer, and I'll walk you through the diagnostic steps to fix your execution path. Don't let Keymgr slow you down. The automated repair toolkit is available in the description. This is the Keymgr, the stored usernames and passwords library. It manages the unmanaged orchestration of credential storage, facilitating the data link between the localized Windows Vault and remote authentication manifests. Knowing the file's purpose is helpful, but now we need to physically restore it. This issue involves a protected Windows DLL that requires official restoration. Start an elevated command prompt session and run sfc/scan now so that Windows can automatically validate and replace files like Keymgr. When the primary installation path fails, a more surgical approach to checking your system's environmental variables is required. A quick system restart is a practical way to ensure that all shared libraries, including Keymgr, are being loaded correctly into the current session's memory. To keep this tutorial handy, make sure to bookmark it or hit like button before you reboot. It saves you from having to look for the video again once you're back online. Next, we'll move beyond the basics. If your screen hasn't changed after the restart, follow me to step 3. If you need to pause the video while your folders load, don't hesitate. Since a standard reboot didn't restore the system manifests, we need to perform a deep repair of the Windows image. First, open command prompt as admin. Second, you're going to type dism/online//cleanup-image/restore health, then hit enter. Why are we doing this? Well, this forces Windows to download a fresh master copy of the system manifests from Microsoft servers to replace corrupted source files that SFC can't fix on its own. Before you wrap up the repair, let's ensure you're following the safest path for your system. Manual intervention with Keymgr DLL is dangerous because it can overwrite newer, secure versions of the file with older, vulnerable ones. Using a professional maintenance utility is a proactive step toward keeping your system state healthy and your software synchronized. If your workstation feels less efficient, the resource below provides background information on managing Keymgr. If this diagnostic guide saved you time launching Keymgr today, please show your support by liking the video and subscribing for more expert-level troubleshooting.